What features should I compare in washing machines? If you are in the market for a new washing machine and wondering what features to compare, you have come to the right place. Let's break down the key aspects to consider when choosing the perfect machine for your home. First, think about the type and loading style. Front-load washers are known for being energy and water efficient. They are gentle on fabrics and have high spin speeds that help reduce drying time. However, they often have longer wash cycles and requiring bending to load and unload. On the other hand, top-load washers come into types, agitator and impeller. Agitator models are usually less expensive and have shorter wash cycles, but they use more water and can be rougher on clothes. Impeller washers offer a gentler clean and more space for bulky items. They are easier to load since you do not have to bend down. Next, consider the wash cycles and options available. Look for machines that offer a variety of cycles tailored to different fabric types and sew levels. Basic cycles include normal, delicate, and heavy-duty. More advanced models provide specialized cycles like pre-wash, wool, and quick wash. Water levels and efficiency are also important. High-efficiency washers automatically adjust water levels based on load size, which saves water. Generally, front-load washers use less water per load compared to top-load washers. Spin speed is another feature to compare. Higher spin speeds extract more water from clothes, which reduces drying time. Typically, front-load washers have faster spin speeds than top-load models. The material of the wash tub matters too. Stainless steel tubs resist rust and can withstand high spin speeds, helping the machine last longer. Temperature control is essential for effective washing. Automatic temperature control adjusts the water temperature for each cycle, ensuring that detergents work well and fabrics are protected. Additional features can make a big difference. A steam function can help reduce wrinkles and sterilize laundry. Automatic dispensers store and releases detergent and fabric softener at the right times, making laundry easier. End-of-cycle signals notify you when washing is complete, so you can transfer clothes promptly. Smart connectivity allows some washers to connect to Wi-Fi for remote control and notifications. Capacity and size are also key considerations. Choose a drum capacity that fits your household size and laundry volume. Larger capacity machines handle bulky items and bigger loads efficiently. Lastly, check energy and water efficiency ratings. Look for Energy Star certification to ensure the machine uses resources wisely, which can lower your utility bills. Maintenance and durability are important too. Features like antimicrobial gaskets help prevent mold and odors, especially in front-load washers. Durable construction materials contribute to the appliance's lifespan. By comparing these features, you can find a washing machine that meets your laundry needs and fits your space and budget.